Welcome back, everybody. Today we have another unbagging review. This is from a new company. This is from OutdoorTide.com. It's not a new company, it's a new company to me. They contacted me and asked me if I would do a review, and I said I would. So with that, we will get into it. First thing we have is a cross stitch kit. This is a Joy Sunday. I've seen this one done from other people and I really liked it, so I thought I'd try it out. 4 seasons. This is a 14 count, 45 by 31. Of course, I'll never be able to get it back in that bag. There's our picture. Alright, sorry about that, I had a call. So here's our picture. I love the little duck, the little owl, the little rabbit. Here is our booklet. This is 4 pages. Very easy to read. And this will not match your canvas, so just remember that. It will not match your canvas. It's a different pattern on here. Not a different pattern, but different symbols. And here's our cover sheet. All your information. I always like to mark this off, you know, where it says 14 count, because they don't mark these boxes, and me, I'll forget. So I usually just like to mark the boxes off, just to be safe. So I'll just mark this on. And this has, in full stitches, we have 23 colors. So we have 2 lines here. So this line and symbols is going to, this is going to correspond to your paper pattern here. This bottom line with these symbols, this will match your canvas, as you can see. Now your full pattern itself will not match your canvas, but it does at least give you a legend, a paper legend that will match your canvas. They don't always do this, but sometimes they do. It's always nice if they do. We're gonna put this in a bag. Just take a look at the canvas. As always, Joy Sunday is always very nicely printed. It's always very clear. The little rabbits up there. It's not too big. This is going to be 202 by 132. That's going to be your stitch count. Your canvas size is going to be about 14.5 or 38 centimeters by 11 inches or 28 centimeters. And then your full canvas is going to be a little over, it's going to be about 31 centimeters, a little over 12 inches by 44.5 centimeters or 17.5 inches. Of course, you got your legend down here. This is what you will go by on your canvas. And you got your product number, and then your other number, and then the name of the pattern. But very nice. Comes on one floss card. You get 2 needles. Very nice colors. I like this blue. So that's it for that one. And this one cost $8.36. So under 10 bucks. Not a bad price if you ask me. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do, we have an accessory for diamond painting. Just a little tray. This does not have a stopper on the end of it, but I could easily, I have a 3D printer, I could easily just print a stopper off for this. And this cost $7.61, so for that price, I would hope that it would come with a stopper. Would be my only gripe with this. Besides that, it's very nicely made. It's sturdy. It's got good ridges. There's your pour spout. Again, wish there was a stopper to this. It's easy enough to make, but for almost $8, you would hope that would come with one. Now on their website, when I purchased this for a review, I believe it did not list that it came with one, so I already knew that it didn't come with one. But I would hope that it would come with one for almost $8. There's a little bit of stuff right there, but overall not too bad. And then the last thing we have is a diamond painting. Now I chose this one because my niece's birthday is coming up and she really likes Lilo and Stitch. So I chose this one. There's our picture. It's Stitch with some roses and the moon in the background. He's holding a heart. That's not very big, as you can see. It's only a 30 by 30. There's your product number. And of course on your bags, it'll have your number and your product number. This has 19 colors, and it is listed 1 through 8, and then A through R for your symbols. The symbols are clear, easy to read. I don't see any that I would have difficult seeing as far as symbols and background colors. Very easy to read. You got your picture and your legend on this side, down the side, on this side, and you also have it down this side. Again, not very big. It won't take you very long to finish this. It's only a 30 by 30. But I thought she would like this for her birthday. So I will finish this one up the next couple months. Her birthday's not till June, so. And then we have our colors. Go this way. So you got like a light blue, tan color, light purple, red that looks like 666. It may not be, that doesn't look red enough. I don't have the DMC number for this, so I don't know. So this red is 600. Then you got your pink, your light pink, another blue color, dark red, another blue, a darker bluish greenish. That I assume is 310. It is not, is 939. I love this topaz color, and that's going to be number 959. A pinkish red, another green color, another light purple, brownish purple, a very light white blue. That's going to be 3756. And another blue color. So overall, I think the colors are nice. 19 colors for this small canvas. I don't think it's too bad. This costs $5. Oh wait, I misspoke. This diamond painting was $8, $7.61. The diamond tray. This diamond tray was only $5.11. So for $5 without a stopper isn't too bad. I misspoke at the price on that. I will list the prices in the bottom because I did misspoke the price for that. But overall, not bad. You of course have your standard boat, your wax, and your pen. And that'll be all for today. I do have a 5% off discount code, and that is 5 off. Let me double check. Thought I had this written down somewhere. So my discount code is North 5 off. I will also list that in the bottom of the video. You can also get a $5.99 blind box when you spend $59 or more. I will put the blind box link in the product description. I will also put the link to the description for these products in the bottom. I will also put my discount code down there. And yeah, I think it's a good company. I'm glad they reached out to me. I want to thank them for reaching out to me. And again, their company website is outdoortide.com. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.